In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call presentation in Google Sheets. We'll walk through the steps involved in setting up and presenting your Google Sheets in a virtual meeting. Whether you're hosting a team meeting, giving a presentation, or collaborating with colleagues, these steps will ensure you're well prepared and confident in executing your presentation. To begin, you want to navigate to your Google Sheets document where you intend to present. Look out for an option that says Join a call here, or Present this tab to the call. Selecting this allows you to directly link your Google Sheet to a video call, giving you the ability to present your data and insights seamlessly during the meeting. Once you've chosen to present, the next step is to start a new meeting. Click on the Start a New Meeting option. This action will create a unique virtual meeting space where you, along with your teammates or colleagues, can discuss and collaborate in real time. Creating a new meeting ensures that you have a dedicated space tailored to your presentation needs without any interruptions. After starting a new meeting, you'll want to share this meeting space with others. Simply click on Copy Link for Video Call. This generates a unique link that others can use to join the meeting you just created. Sharing this link is crucial as it provides easy access for participants to attend the meeting from different locations. With the video call link copied, you have the information you need to invite your colleagues. This is an essential step in ensuring that all relevant stakeholders are present and able to view your presentation. Now, head over to your email or messaging platform and paste the link where necessary to extend those invitations. Moving on to ensuring clear communication, it's vital to check that your microphone and camera are functioning correctly. Click on the microphone or camera icon to allow access. By granting these permissions, you enable both audio and visual interactions, which are key to maintaining engagement and clarity during your presentation. Lastly, once your presentation is complete and all the key points have been discussed, you can exit the meeting by clicking on Leave Call. This ensures attendees know the call has concluded and allows you to focus on any necessary follow-up actions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently create and execute a call presentation within Google Sheets. This process ensures that you're ready to share your insights and collaborate effectively in any virtual meeting scenario. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your next presentation.